Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use oregano oil for ear infection. Dilute 1 drop oregano oil with 4 drops carrier oil, warm to body temperature, and test on inner arm for sensitivity. If no reaction, place 1 drop at ear entrance using a clean dropper and avoid deep insertion. Seek medical care for severe pain, fever, or if symptoms worsen or do not improve after 2 days. Using oregano oil near the ear requires caution and proper dilution. Always mix oregano oil at a concentration around 20% or lower for topical ear use, and prefer olive or coconut oil as carrier. Avoid applying undiluted oil or inserting into pierced or injured ears, and stop use if burning or severe irritation occurs. Discuss alternatives with a healthcare provider if you have diabetes, compromised immune system, or recurrent infections to ensure safe care. Quick recommendation: if you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and help others find safe tips. On another note, these leak-proof containers make meal prep and small item storage a breeze, perfect for keeping carrier oil, cotton balls, or spare droppers organized and spill-free. Check the description for the link and other deals, and thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Home care is not a substitute for professional evaluation when infections worsen. If you experience severe pain, high fever, hearing loss, discharge, or symptoms that worsen after 48 hours, seek medical attention promptly. Doctors can look for eardrum damage, prescribe antibiotics, or recommend imaging for deep infections. Keep a record of duration and treatment steps, and inform your provider about allergies, recent medications, and any chronic conditions, and follow up if symptoms return.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.